What's the meaning of curacy? Curacy. Curacy.
Curacy. Curacy. The term curacy is not a commonly used word in contemporary English. It is an archaic term that refers to accuracy, precision, or correctness. It is typically used in the context of measurements or data analysis where the degree of error or deviation from a desired outcome is of importance. In modern usage, the word accuracy is the preferred term to describe the concept of curacy. The importance of achieving curacy is critical in any field that relies on precise measurements, such as engineering, science, and medicine.